Do you find it hard to practice journaling every day? Well, I hear from a lot of people, they find it difficult to write down their feelings, their emotions, and have certain amount of self-reflection on the daily basis, along with preparing their to-do list to get things done. Well, if you are some of those people who find this practice a little bit boring or not finding enough encouragement to do it every day, then this video is going to be super helpful because today I'm going to be sharing with you the 4 pointers that can help you do your journaling every day. Well, if you're here for the first time, I would love to introduce myself. This is Simi Arora, international life coach and yoga teacher, helping people build their purposeful living. My content is dedicated to uplift your morale, your wisdom, and of course, help you build those strategies in your life that can help you upgrade to the next level, be it your professional relations or your personal well-being. So if you like this kind of content, then hit the subscribe button right away and be a part of this amazing community. So coming back to the topic for today, which is the importance of journaling, and of course the 4 pointers that I'm going to share with you are super simple to apply in your daily life. While journaling is really a great practice because it allows you to bring your subconscious mind and the chatter in that mind in your conscious awareness. So if you're thinking a lot of thoughts and are not sure what those thoughts are and how you can make sense of them and realistically either find a solution or overcome some of the mental barriers or literally use these thoughts to build something more powerful, then you need to find a way to consolidate these thoughts and put it somewhere where you can create some meaning out of them. So I find journaling to be a great practice because when you use your hands, you can actually bring those subconscious thoughts in your conscious awareness. And that's why it is probably the most powerful practice that can help us build a consistent practice of self-reflection and self-awareness. And the reason we find it difficult to have this practice installed in our daily life is because we find this boring, or sometimes we don't get the ideas on where to start. And at times people find it difficult because they just simply don't know what to write. So I'm going to share with you a real amazing and very simple strategy to have this done on the daily basis without taking so much of time. So the first thing you need to do is to buy a little notebook with the color and the texture of the pages that you truly love. So for example, like I recently bought a journal which is called Arora's The Life You Want. Now this journal is very lovely because one, I love the pages, the color of the pages, the texture, the font's color as well. I want to just tell you that having the right kind of notebook in your hand can also make a big difference, because if you really like what you're holding, you want to get back to it every day and experience the writing on it. Make sure that you have a proper journal, just not a piece of paper that you write on every day. Aside from having a great pen and a notebook that you could write on, what you really need is the strategy, the planning on what you want to write. So there are 4 pointers that I'm sharing with you, 2 pointers for the morning and 2 pointers for the late evening. So starting of the day is super important. If you can spend just 10 minutes of your day in reframing your mind, then the whole day is going to go the way you want it to go. And even if there are some unexpected events, 80% of the times you're going to win. So the first thing you need to do is to write down your affirmation or your intention for the day. Affirmations are the messages that we are consciously giving to our mind. And they are based on certain aspect of the experience that you want to create or certain type of conscious work that you're doing for your own well-being. Could be for your career, could be for your relationship, could be a behavior change, could be a habit building. So anything that you specifically want to inculcate in your life, or you want to express in your life, or you want to build as a habit, you can imbibe that in form of the affirmation. So an affirmation like, I am a peaceful being. I am courageous. I am strong, compassionate, energetic person. So such affirmations, if you can practice on the daily basis and stay with them and consciously also imbibe that in your mindset, they will bring tremendous amount of result. They'll make you attract similar type of experiences and opportunities that can obviously upgrade your life to the next level. Now, intentions are something very similar to affirmations, but they're more mental. Like affirmations, you can still speak loud, and there are certain ways you can do it, which I will describe in a couple of other videos. But affirmations, you can hear, affirmations that you can speak loudly, affirmations that you can do in front of the mirror, whereas intentions are more mental. And intentions are something that is always playing a role in your subconscious behavior patterns. So intentions such as, today I'm not going to be angry at small, silly things. Today I'm going to be eating healthy food. Today I want to walk 10,000 steps a day. Today I want to continue to be in a peaceful state of mind. So these are the intentions that you are setting, and you're writing them down in your journal. In both of these cases, you need to stay with the emotion that comes. Whether it is an intention for the day, you need to spend a few moments staring at the paper or closing your eyes and just having this meditation in your mind about this intention and connecting with it emotionally can be very, very helpful. Now, this is one of the most important practice that you can do on your journal, and every day you can pick and choose a new affirmation, a new intention, or can stay with it for a week or 10 days until you really experience that intention in your daily life. Second important thing that you can do in the morning is to create your priority list. This priority list is not a to-do list. This is your priority list. It will contain the 3 top tasks for the day. So the top 3 things for today that I am going to be finishing could include your professional, your personal goals as well. But it is not a to-do list, because in a to-do list, there's no priority. In this particular prioritization, we are going to be giving the priority in terms of the primary task of the day, the secondary task for the day, and the tertiary task for the day. So you know what is it that you need to touch upon the first thing so that you can complete it. And even if you can complete 2 tasks out of the 3, you're still good to go, because you're touching upon the biggest priorities first and then going for the next priorities. So these are the 2 things. Just do them every day and see the results in next 20 days or so in terms of how productive you feel, how strong you feel when it comes to your behavior, in terms of the actions that you're taking out of the world while dealing with multiple people and going through multiple type of conflicts and situations in your daily life. Now, coming to the evening part. Evening is a great time to unwind. Usually in the late evenings, we get along with our family and we're watching television, spending some bonding time and creating some more experiences. So just before you go to bed, this practice that will only take you 5 minutes can help you really build a foundation for not only your personality, your self-worthiness, your well-being, but can also give you tremendous amount of self-confidence. There are 2 practices that I'm going to share here. One is the practice of gratitude. Before the end of the day, write down the 3 things that you're grateful for every day. I promise you're going to find more than 3 things if you really pay attention to how you're spending your day. So 3 things that you're super grateful for today. This could include the time that you're spending with your loved ones, a great meal that you enjoyed, a fantastic conversation you had with your friend, somebody who gave you a smile on the road, just celebrating life. This is so important, because when you connect with life at the deeper level, then life brings you back multiple more opportunities to enjoy it even further. So make sure that you are grateful for what you already have and then go about achieving more of what you want. Second is writing your win for the day. Here, win doesn't necessarily only mean your professional success or completion of a project or finishing a deadline. It could also mean that you overcame an obstacle that you were dealing with for a long time. This could mean resolving a conflict with a friend that you were not speaking for the last couple of months. It could mean anything that you held back and then eventually overcame. So win for the day. This also has a long-term impact, because when you continue to write the wins for the day, and after a few months when you look back and you see these multiple wins, This gives you an immense confidence, knowing that you, when consciously put an effort, you can actually do so much more. Because in general, our mind is always looking for the weaknesses. We're always looking for what we don't have. We're always beating ourselves up a lot more than we are celebrating ourselves. So when we see that there is so much that you've already done, so much that you're completing every day, so much that you are able to overcome, it boosts your confidence that like nothing else. No book, no seminar, no course, no video can uplift you as much as you can uplift yourself with your own actions and daily habits. So my hope with this video is that you apply these 4 pointers and see the magic happening. And please stick with it, because it won't take you more than 10-15 minutes. So it's not just now a blank page where you're just thinking what to write, but you have the pointers. So I'll recap it. In the morning, priorities for the day, affirmation or intention. In the evening, gratitude practice and win for the day. And just do that for 20 minutes and come back and tell me, how did it go for you? Because I promise you, this is going to be a big game changer in the way you deal with yourself, you deal with life, you deal with people, and the way you grow in your life and live a completely magical and purposeful living. So let me know in the comment section if you're ready for this for the next 21 days. And if you are, then first thing is commit here in this chat section and write down, I am going to do journaling on these 4 pointers and I am ready to take my life to the next level. I hope this video served you today. If it did, then please hit the like button and also share this video with other people as well, because the more we share, the more we help transferring the message of strength and encouragement to other people as well. I will see you in the next one. Lots of love and take care of yourself.